Recently, the PUBG mobile game has been pretty infamous for causing supposedly violence amongst children, teenagers, and adolescents, and maybe even adults alike. Well, looks like the game creator Tencent is taking steps to curb that. PUBG Mobile and their another game Honor of Kings from Tencent will be having age limits imposed on them, wherein players under 13 years of age will have to ask their guardians to open the new game. This restriction will be piloted for Chinese versions of these games and will eventually move to the global level. What do you think about this? In my opinion, that may not change much because kids can easily fake their age to log on to the app, and even parents might not become known to what these restrictions are and how they can impose them on their kids. And supposedly, there have been some suicides where one kid committed suicide because his parents would not buy him a flagship device to play PUBG Mobile on. So, this step may not affect these ongoing violence as much, but it is a step in the positive direction. And I do believe for children who are below the age of 13 years, they shouldn't really be playing a game like PUBG. Now, I am a huge supporter of the game, and I think it does not really cause that much of a violence as it is deemed to be doing. But kids under 13 years, in my opinion, are not really mature enough to play at the global level because be here with me. A 13-year-old, or let's say a 10-year-old, plays the PUBG mobile game and he has formed a squad. Now, the other person on his squad could be 15 years old, 10 years old, 20 years old, 30 years old, or even 50 years old. So I think they should come up with probably a PUBG mobile age limit version wherein children below the age of say 13 or 14 years would be playing separately with other children of 13 or 14 years, because if they're playing with adults, the adults may use language that is derogatory and children aren't really mature enough to understand what they are saying, and it could be pretty damaging for them. So that's my only concern. What do you think about this recent steps taken? And in some places, there are saying that they will ban PUBG Mobile. What are your thoughts? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section.